Did you know that in addition to its aesthetic appeal, wood furniture also offers health benefits? Unlike synthetic materials that may emit harmful chemicals, wood is non-toxic and hypoallergenic. It does not trap dust or allergies, making it a suitable choice for individuals with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Wood furniture contributes to a healthier indoor environment by improving air quality and reducing the risk of indoor pollutants. Its natural properties create a sense of well-being and promote a calm and soothing ambience. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture and woodcraft ideas you can make for profit. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. The importance of wood furniture in our lives is undeniable. It enhances comfort, improves functionality, and lets us express our personal feelings in our living spaces. Wood furniture will continue for generations to come, and hence is a sustainable income source for those who make wood furniture pieces and other wooden crafts items for profit. If you are aspiring to embark on a journey as a woodworking entrepreneur, we wish you the best of luck in building a successful and profitable woodworking business. If you want to get the best results from your woodworking business, seek feedback from your customers and adapt to their demands. Feedback from customers is invaluable for improving your woodworking business and ensuring customer satisfaction. Encourage customers to provide feedback on their experience with your products and services, whether through online reviews, surveys, or direct communication. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement, address customer concerns, and adapt your business strategies accordingly. By listening to customer feedback and making necessary adjustments, you can enhance the quality of your products and services, build trust with customers, and drive profitability. Another point to consider in a woodworking business is staying committed and persistence. Building a profitable woodworking business requires dedication, hard work, and persistence. Stay committed to your craft, set ambitious goals for growth and profitability, and remain resilient in the face of challenges. By willing to adapt to changing market conditions, learn from setbacks, and continuously strive for excellence in everything you do. By staying focused on your vision and putting in the effort needed to succeed, you can turn your woodworking business into a profitable venture that brings joy and fulfillment. So many successful woodworking businesses are known for diversity of their product offerings. To expand your customer base and increase revenue streams, consider diversifying your product offering in your woodworking business. Introduce new product lines such as home decor items, outdoor furniture, or custom woodworking services to cater to different market segments and meet evolving consumer preferences. By offering a variety of products that appeal to a broader audience, you can maximize sales opportunity and grow your business. Networking and showcasing your work at trade shows, craft fairs, and community events can help you promote your woodworking business and attract new customers. Participating in industry events allows you to connect with fellow woodworkers, potential clients, and industry professionals, expanding your reach and visibility in the market. Use these opportunities to showcase your craftsmanship, build relationships with customers, and generate leads for future projects. Always look for trends getting popularity and be the best at offering them. For instance, if you look at the history of wooden beds, they underwent a transformation in response to changing lifestyles and design trends. Some of the changes include the shifting of focus towards functionality, comfort, and versatility. The sleek, minimalist designs gained popularity, emphasizing clean lines and natural wood finishes. Alongside traditional solid wood construction, engineered wood and veneers became commonly used materials. Contemporary wooden beds catered to various needs, offering storage solutions, adjustable frames, and innovative designs. These changes occurred at different times throughout history, and brilliant woodworkers followed these trends and adjusted their woodworking businesses accordingly. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture and woodcraft ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.